talk about fabrics briefly. Fabrics come in many different formats for you to have a look at. Back in the day, the most popular one was a suit length, where you'd walk into your tailors, you'd have a look at the cloth, you could even drape it over your shoulder and get an idea of what the suit would look like, a bit of a visualisation, and you would place your order. Then merchants got involved in between the mills and the tailors, and they would put together collections in pattern books. What would they do? They would hold stock of every one of these designs. A tailor could then measure a customer, who would select a design and order the exact amount they needed, cutting out the need for all this stock. The visiting tailors will use a smaller version of that, which is a travel set, which is half the size, half the weight, and it will fit in a briefcase, and it gives you the chance to carry quite a large range that aren't too heavy. And then the final solution is a waterfall pattern card. This is where the whole range from a pattern bunch will be put on a card, and it allows the customer to take a snapshot view of the whole collection. When we were thinking about how to offer fabrics to our clients at Personal Tailoring, we decided that to bring all this range together into a nice selection and allow you to make that informed decision, that we will put them in a database allowing you to search with the 4 most common attributes, which is price, colour, design, chalk stripe, pinstripe, window pane, check, whatever you might need, and the weight and composition of the cloth. Obviously, someone getting married in a Caribbean setting would require a lightweight fabric, and then you get people in Moscow, the UK at winter, USA in winter that require a heavier cloth. So we can help you with that advice, but we can also allow you to search and pinpoint the fabrics you need quickly. And then the tip of it all is that we can offer to send you a swatch out to your home, or swatches of the fabrics you've chosen, so you can confirm the colour and feel the fabric and make an informed decision before you purchase your bespoke garment.